Hey, on Make It Bake It today, we are making a gluten-free pizza crust. So, pizza night for everybody. Let's get to it.
You can view this recipe on MakeItBakeItShow.com. This recipe uses 3 flours: tapioca starch, superfine white rice flour, and potato starch. Combine the dry ingredients. Start with the flours, then add baking powder, psyllium husk, cellulose, salt, and active yeast. Then turn on your mixer and mix it until it is all well combined. Turn off your mixer, and then you're going to separate 2 eggs into the whites and yolks. Add the egg whites into your mixing bowl. Measure out 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the olive oil along with 3/4 cup plus 2 more tablespoons of warm water, about 100 degrees. Continue mixing the batter until it's uniform and it will be a little sticky. It's about 2 minutes. Spray a piece of parchment paper with some cooking spray. Take half of your batter and plop it onto the parchment paper. You'll need to use some oiled hands and spread this pizza dough around into a circle. You will get 2 8-inch thick crust pizzas or 2 12-inch thin crust pizzas out of this recipe. Cover each crust with a piece of well-oiled plastic wrap and put it in a warm space to let it rise for about 30 minutes. Remove the plastic wrap and bake the crust in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for about 20 minutes until the bottom starts to brown. At this point, you can let your pizza crust cool and freeze, or you can top it with whatever toppings you'd like. And then you want to put it into a hot oven, 475 at least, until it's bubbly and brown. Our pizza took about 12 minutes.
We really hope you liked today's show. If you did, please like the video, subscribe, and tell your friends. Until next time, ciao.